Today I'm going to show you how to calculate days until a due date in Google Sheets, plus a few tips to handle common issues. Imagine you're tracking projects, homework, upcoming holidays, or birthdays. You want a column that automatically tells you how many days are left until each date. Step 1. Use DATEDIF. In the first cell, type the following formula. Today gives today's date automatically. B2 is the cell with the due date. D tells Google Sheets to calculate the difference in days. This formula updates every day, so you never have to adjust it manually. Step 2. Handle past dates. If a due date has already passed, DATEDIF can give an error. For example, if B2 is January 1st, the formula may fail. To prevent errors, wrap it in IFERROR. We will need to use this formula. Oh, and I forgot to say all these formulas can be found in the video description. Now, if the date is in the past, the cell will display a custom message like "Date has passed" instead of an error. You can replace that text with anything you like, such as "Overdue." Step 3. Apply to the column. Drag the formula down your column, and each row will automatically calculate the days remaining until the corresponding due date. This is perfect for project trackers, deadlines, or reminders for any upcoming events.